If you need a fast cook for the whole family, the peas stew is always a good and healthy option, and here is how you can make everyone happy. Add 1 kilogram of peas, 600 grams of smoked meat, 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, 1 bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, ½ teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried dill or 2 fresh, salt to taste, 130 grams of canned tomatoes. Peel and wash the veggies. Dice the peppers, the onions and slice the carrot. Cut the meat in bite-sized pieces. Choose a suitable pot and heat the 3 tablespoons of oil. Add over the chopped vegetables and sweat. Add the smoked meat, and cook together for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the peas and water or concentrated vegetable soup to cover the ingredients. Cover. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat. Let simmer for 30 minutes on low heat. Stir occasionally. After 30 minutes, add the tomato. Add the paprika, salt and pepper. Mix and leave for another 10 minutes on low heat. At the end, add the finely chopped greens. We use dry dill, but it comes out much tastier with green dill. Mix. Immediately after, stop the cooking and your peas stew is ready to serve. Enjoy. Like, subscribe and as always, thank you for watching.